So here we are going to use the derivatives of trig functions. So d by dx of sine of x is equal to cosine of x, and d by dx of cosecant of x is equal to negative cosecant of x cotangent of x. Okay, so the derivative of the function is, now notice that this is a difference of two functions and also a and b are constants. So it's the derivative of the first function minus the derivative of the second function. So the basic rules of differentiation remain. You have to always use the rules. If it's a difference, just take the derivative of the difference of the derivatives. So leave the constant alone and differentiate the function of x. So d by dx of sine of x is what we need to do next. I'm just going in steps. Leave the constant alone. Find the derivative of the function of x. So a times d by dx of sine of x is cosine of x. Minus, leave b alone, d by dx of cosecant of x is negative cosecant of x cotangent of x. And the reason why I put these parentheses is just to make it clear that we are multiplying, not subtracting. We're multiplying with the negative cosecant of x cotangent of x. So now we have a cosine of x minus the negative times negative is positive, b cosecant of x cotangent of x, and this is equal to, and this is the end,